Yeah. Hello, good morning, everyone. This is day 4 of journaling, and yesterday you saw it was a different day with a different side quest. Yesterday we covered only 2 kilometers, uh, approx, but today we are back to the grind, and we are going to walk a little bit more. So that's the plan, and let's see how much I will cover. But it's a very uh, moody weather. It looks like it's going to rain, but I don't know. I was planning to go to the office today. And one more thing is, I have a sore throat today morning, and I want to fix that before I get too ill. Yeah, once my mom wakes up, I'll go ask for some magical remedy and get that fixed. Okay, let's see. Uh, See you in a bit. Yeah, today's vlog I've not spoken much. I've edited it in a different way. I've written a poem, and all the b-rolls from all the 4 days I've uh, mixed and matched it. I've made it into a montage. Maybe different style of a vlog. Let's see how it comes out. But I will give you an update of how much I've walked today and in what time. There is an improvement, but yeah, I'll give that once I reach my home.
A sea of faces passing through the day, with hidden battles stuck so far away. We force our smiles to hide the heavy toll and chase a fleeting triumph for this whole. A constant hustle just to leave a mark, to be somebody shining in the dark. We breathe the rush to reach a higher crest, yet all we really crave is peace and rest. But then I frame a shot and find my grace, a quiet heaven in the frantic pace. The daily tensions start to slowly fade when I look back at what my passion made. To shape a scene and let the problem cease, a small reward of cinematic peace. Just knowing that I filmed the truth today is all I need to wash the void away.
I am back. So in 50 minutes, I've covered around 3.8 kilometers. By the end of this vlog, I would have covered a little bit more. And today we have done 1 kilometer faster splits according to Apple Fitness, and that's a good thing. And this vlog I've edited it differently. It's a montage of all the footages from all the 4 days, and I've tried something different. Don't tell me in the comments if it looks nice, and if you want to see more vlogs like that, because all the 4 days all the 3 days it's become too much of talking head, and I felt little bit it might become too boring because some random person yapping, you might feel bored. But I have tried to keep it under 6 to 7 minutes itself. First few vlogs it was around 3 to 5 minutes, but do tell me how you feel it, and see you tomorrow with another vlog. Bye bye.